Servus everyone! If you are trading cryptocurrencies or earn crypto income in Germany, understanding the tax basics is essential. And since your time is very valuable, here's a clear and compact overview of the most important rules and recent updates. Selling or swapping cryptocurrencies falls under private disposal transactions. The tax authorities mainly look at how long you held the coins and whether you made profit or not. The following actions count as taxable disposals: selling crypto for euros, swapping one cryptocurrency for another or for an NFT, using crypto for paying for goods and services. The most important rule here is how long you hold the coin. If you hold the cryptocurrencies for more than 1 year, the sale is completely tax-free. If you sell it within 1 year of acquisition, then the profit is taxable. However, an annual tax-free allowance of 1,000 euros applies here. If this limit is exceeded, the entire profit becomes taxable, not just the portion above the threshold. Taxable profits are subject to your personal income tax rate, which can range from 0% up to 45%, depending on your total annual income. Besides selling crypto, there are also taxable crypto income events. These include rewards from staking, mining, lending, as well as receiving bounties. Crypto income is taxed at your personal income tax rate based on the value of the time you receive it. Here, an annual allowance of 256 euros applies. If this limit is exceeded, the full amount becomes taxable. If you later sell the cryptocurrencies you received, the standard rule for private disposal transactions apply again, meaning as explained in the previous section. Before you wrap up, one of the most important notes is, with the new DAC 8 and CARF regulations, crypto exchanges will be required to automatically report transactions data to the authorities. What this means for you when these rules take effect is explained in detail in a separate video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe down for more content, and check out other videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.